In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive payments on Remitly. Now, Remitly is primarily designed for sending money internationally, not for receiving payments. So the person who is going to send you money is the only one that needs to use the Remitly app. So if you're only trying to receive money from somebody, then you do not need to actually use Remitly at all. However, you still need to go ahead and provide really important information in order to get money. So there's actually multiple different ways that you can go ahead and receive money. We have a bank deposit, we have the mobile wallet, and we also do have the cash pickup. So do whichever one is most comfortable with you, and I'm going to explain how each of those will actually work. And I recommend that you guys know all of them just in case you need to do like one method in a later point in time. So if you're trying to receive money via a bank deposit, then you will need to share your full name as it appears on your bank account. You also need to share your bank name, your account number, and routing details like your IBAN, Swift, or local equivalents like IFC. So again, you can find all that information through your bank account, and what the sender needs to do is they need to go ahead and press on send right over here, and then what they need to do is they need to go ahead and select on the delivery method. For this video, we're going to start off with a bank deposit, so they will go ahead and select on bank, then they will go ahead and select on the bank you are using. So let's just say you're using Banco Azteca, then they would need to go ahead and select on that, and then they need to go ahead and select on a payment method right over here. And yeah, from here, the sender needs to enter in your bank account number and stuff like that. And from there, after they went ahead and put in all your information, then they should be able to go ahead and send you the money directly to your bank account. However, we could also receive money via mobile wallet. So if you're trying to get it via mobile wallet, then you need to provide your registered phone number that is linked to a supported wallet like M-Pesa or Gcash or something like that. And it really does vary by country. So what the sender needs to do, they need to go ahead and press on send. And for delivery method, they need to select on mobile money just like so. Then they need to select on the services available, and that is definitely another way they could do it. Or you guys could do a cash pickup. Now, in order to do a cash pickup, you will need a state or government issued ID and you need to provide your full legal name, and it must match your ID exactly. And in some cases, you will need to go ahead and also give the sender your phone number, and then the sender needs to select a pickup location that is partnered with a bank or a store, and then from there, you actually are able to go ahead and receive the money. So you need to walk up to the cashier and you need to go ahead and show them your ID. So now I'm going to show you how it looks like for the sender perspective. So what they need to do is they need to press on send. Then what they need to do is for delivery method, they need to go ahead and press on cash pickup right over here. And then from there, they need to go ahead and select on one of these options. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.